welcome back to my channel.
Like everything is new, the sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I like everything is new.
If you're new to this channel, I am Agrupa Pedanti and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button. Okay, it has been so many days that I have come here, like a week, and I'm really sorry. I had my exams and then AMJ like piano, and now the day this video will go up, our exams aipote on Tuesday, and oh my god, today's video is so random. నేను యాక్చువల్గా ఒక ఐ లుక్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా, and then I thought some of my friends asked me to do a video on my how do I create this look. So I thought चलो शेयर कर लेते हैं. I just wanted to share how I do. Disclaimer in the starting itself, I am not a pro. నాకు అసలు మేకప్ అంతా ఏం రాదు. I am just a beginner. I just see people's videos, my friends and Malvika Sitlani and all, and I just get inspired and I try to make looks. So today this is the look which I created. If you want to know how I did it, what are you doing? Let's just get into the video. Okay, so I am ready to start my routine. So I have put my hair back in a cute kitty hairband, and the first step which we're gonna do is just I'll be wiping my face with some wet tissues because there's some dirt. So okay, I've cleansed my face with a wet tissue, and oh my god, it's not that dirty, but chalta hai. Now let's move to the second step. Do not forget to moisturize. It's so freaking important. We are using the Nivea Aloe hydration cream, and it's super good. Basically, you know how your skin is enta మీ స్కిన్ హైడ్రేట్ అయ్యి ఎంత జ్యూసీగా ఉంటే మీ మేకప్ అంత బాగా స్టే అవుతుంది. ఈవెన్ మీరు మినిమల్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ యూస్ చేసిననుకోండి, జస్ట్ లైక్ వాట్ దిస్ ట్యూటోరియల్ ఇస్ అబౌట్, without using foundation and all, make sure you use your moisturizer, because manam foundation వాడలే, but we are using the compact, or if you want you can use the compact powder or BB cream. అప్పుడు ఏంటి, మీరు మాయిశ్చరైజర్ పెట్టకుండా మీ ఫేస్ మీద if you use these makeup products, there's no defense layer for your skin. దానివల్ల మీకు బ్రేక్అవుట్స్ రావడం అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. More skincare you put before makeup, more your makeup looks good and more your skin feels happy. So basically ఈ మాయిశ్చరైజర్ లేకపోతే అండర్ ఐ క్రీమ్ ఇవన్నీ లిప్ బామ్ అవి ఒక లేయర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొటెక్షన్లో యాక్ట్ చేస్తాయి మీ స్కిన్ అండ్ మేకప్కి మధ్యలో, అండ్ దాట్స్ ద రీజన్ యూ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ బ్రేక్అవుట్స్. బట్ you should use the right product on your skin always. I'm done with my face moisturizing, and now I'll just moisturize my lips. I'm taking the ghee, and next I'll be using the Lakme 95cc complexion care cream in the shade 1 beige. This is the product which I'm using, and yeah, the good thing about this, it has even SPF. I guess it's SPF 30 or something. I am gonna take a little. You just need chala taku. You just need very little of this because it's just a layer. That's all, nothing much. Okay, I'll just take this and just put dot by dot. So now I am gonna take my damn beauty blender, cool, and I'll be just so beauty blender. One thing is that before using a beauty blender, you should always wet it. అంటే మీరు యూజ్ చేసే ముందు జస్ట్ వాటర్ కన్నా రన్ చేయండి బ్యూటీ బ్లెండర్ని, అప్పుడు బ్యూటీ బ్లెండర్ సైజ్ అనేది పెరుగుతుంది బేసిక్లీ. సో దెన్ యూ గెట్ ద రైట్ వే టు యూజ్ ఇట్. అప్పుడు మీ ఫౌండేషన్ అన్నది చాలా ఈవెన్గా బ్లెండ్ అయ్యి నీట్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఐమ్ యూజింగ్ మై మిర్రర్ జస్ట్ టు సీ. And don't anytime rub, just dab. That's the rule, dab. Just mix everything, just mix, blend it. So now I have just got done with my blending of BB cream. మీరు BB cream place లో ఫౌండేషన్ అయినా వాడచ్చు, but as I told, it's a very minimal, very chill. Every girl can use this routine in her day to just get a glam. So I am skipping the concealer because this is like a normal routine. I am not going to use any concealer because we're just going with a CC cream or BB cream. Coming to the next step, which is very important, be it a normal routine, be it glam routine, be it any routine, don't ever forget to do this. Yes, please. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇది మొత్తం బ్లెండ్ చేస్తాం కదా. సో సేమ్ బ్యూటీ బ్లెండర్తో నేను బేకింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ బేకింగ్ ఇస్ basically you're just baking your under eye, you're just setting your under eye. Normally under eye area in the T-zone is this oily ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో we need to ensure that we bake them so that ఎక్కువ greasy అయిపోయి creasy మేకప్ అలా ఉండకుండా ఉండేలాగా we're doing this. So I am using the Lakme Rose powder for this. You can use any compact, you can use some. I'll also put some suggestions of mine so that you can use. Basically you're going to take the tip of this, put the powder, compact, and just go under. Okay, so I've got done with my baking. I look weird, but that's fine because we do. Now let's go to the next step, is basically setting your other part of the face. You put T-zone eye kada, where you have more oily skin. Now the other part you need to just put on the compact powder. It's just setting your face. So I've got this set of brushes, makeup brushes from Amazon. It's a very cheap, economical kind, but the quality is so good. The bristles are so soft. I'm using them from my past couple weeks of makeup. So I'll put the links of every product I use in the description. Do check it out and you can buy if you like any. So I'm taking my Minisoka compact, and this is the Queen collection, and I guess my shade in this is also Natural Beach, so yeah. I'm just gonna take the powder, just tap, and don't ever forget your neck area. That is a very important area to cover. Yeah. Okay, so I got done with my base. Now let's move to the fun part. So I wanted to try a blue smoky eye look. You will get the pic which I want to recreate over here. So I'm trying it. So I am not a pro, as I said. I am just learning things. So let's see how it goes. And I'm super excited to create this look. I touch wood, it goes good. I just hope so. That's it. So just dive into the cool. So I will just start doing it. First, I'll be taking my blending brush for the transition shade. So basically, transition shade ante one color, it's basically in the neutral side, browns like that, which starts to enhance your eye color because face and the color lo untundi kada. So transition shade gives a pop so that you can create your next eye look. So for this look, I am going to use the dark brown as a transition shade, like a tannish color. Yeah, I'm thinking this is the palette, and I'm thinking to, you can see, I guess, mix this one and maybe this one, these two, and use it as a transition shade. So let's see how it goes. And yeah. Okay, I'm sorry I changed my angle a little bit because I was having issues. So let's just dive in. So whenever eyeshadow తీసుకుంటే just dab it like this so that the excess goes away. లేకపోతే ఎక్కువ deposit అయిపోతుంది. Also I'm gonna zoom in you guys a little bit so you can see it more better. As you can see, I have created a transition shade, and I went a little bit wrong actually. Then brown these going whatever. Okay, now because and one more thing, basically this transition shade, this is crease. Okay, how do you identify your crease is just this part. You can know it when you put on the brush. Your hand goes like that. It's so easy to find your crease out. There are many videos if you want to know any. I'll put one which I find so useful in the link so that you can check it out. Okay, so we have done a little of a mistake, so I don't know how this goes. Okay, now I'm gonna take another brush of mine and I'll start with the black part of the eyeshadow. So with this black, I am going on the outer, and it's like we are if you think this is the eye, we are just merging till here and leaving the middle part for the blue smoky look. So I guess you all can understand. I'm super tense because this is my first time doing it, and I got done with the black thing on the outer corners. I know I might look like a devil right now, but that's okay. So basically the technique which I did is I just dabbed in the black color. I deposited it with one brush of this kind, and then I have blended it well with the another fluffy angle brush. That is what I did. Ade chesanu anta technique nenu inkem cheyale. Now it's quite good blended. Ikkada paina koncham it's out of the boundary, but that's fine because I'll again blend it on the transition shade. So I guess it will go well, but I'm so stressed right now. Okay, now I'm gonna take this blue shade, yeah, that one, and let's do it. I'm so I'll be using my finger to just put this blue. Oh my god, it's so good. Like the same way I did to this eye, I'll be doing to this eye. Okay, now don't worry, this eyeshadow I'm having a lot of follower. I don't know for what reason, but it's okay. I can just wipe it off because I didn't remove my baking still. That is an advantage of baking. So ippudu nenu hand to majlo, because it's a shimmer eyeshadow, I've done it, and now I'll blend the black and the blue with the brush. That's what I'm gonna do now. So when you blend, you are gonna just go in circles or like that, and rendu colors madhyalo you need to just blend it. Just blend. That's the whole game. Cool. So I've just blended this, and now I'll just go with another brush, and the transition shade which I used, I'll be using the same one to just go here, because if you see from close, this thing is so uneven. I'll be just blending that in. That's all. Got done with the lid eye look. Now if you're a beginner, just start with what do I say, eyeshadow. Finally what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set my face a little bit again, and now I'm removing the baking thing, the excess baked. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this kind of brush, I don't know what do I call this, but I'm gonna take a little bit of black and just end in the ila smudges and just get it into the lower lash line. I got done with the lower lash line. Now let me just do the eyeliner quickly, and I'll just finish. Going to the lip shade. So I'll try mixing this both. Rendu mix chesi try chestal kuda. And okay, so last but not the least, I'll be just using my highlighter. This is my Ulta Beauty ka palette hai, and I'll be using this one. It acts as a highlighter. So yes. Now with my hand, I like highlighting my nose with my hands. So on the tip of the nose. So I guess we are done with the makeup. I'll just get back changing my dress, and 3, 2, 1. I am back. So this is pretty much, I just changed my dress, put some studs, and yeah, that is the look. Enjoy some after shots, and I'll meet you for the outro. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this kind of tutorial of my makeup. I'm so happy right now. Actually, I'm anukoledu inta baga vastundani, but it came out so good. I'll take some good pictures and I'll post it on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, do check it out. If you want me to do more tutorials, just put me in the comment section down. Actually, I think my first time ilanti blue smoky, I never did this. And also, there's one of my friend who is so good at makeup, like couple of them. One is Chandni Chaube and one is Mahati. They do so bomb makeup, even Naina Suri. I'll put their Instagram links in the description box so that you can check it. And even you can get some inspiration in this lockdown. If you have loved what you watched until now, do put that like on the thumbs up button or make it blue, and subscribe to my channel. Just let this video hit 300 subscribers. Share with your makeup freak friends and let them try it out. And even if you have tried this look out, just tag me in your pictures so that I can see them. And oh my god, I am feeling so nice to do makeup after so many days. That's it for today's video, you all. Let's just meet in the next video. Bye you all.